Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this tutorial video guys, we will create a program that will count the number of words in a given string or sentence in C++ programming language. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, visitors, silent viewers, and subscribers in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos, supporting my following my videos, no? So without you guys, my channel will not grow. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share, and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. Kindly click the notification bell so that you will be notified with my newly uploaded video. So let's begin. I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code of this video tutorial for free in my two websites. Okay, so basically, I'm using Dev C++ as my integrated development environment in writing this program. So we have here two library files. The first one, line number 1, we have here sharp include IOStream for input-output in C++, and then sharp include string for string manipulation later on in our program. Using namespace std and main, it is the starting point of every C++ program. We have here left curly bracket, and then I have here three variables declaration char given underscore string with the size of 100. So the maximum number of characters that our program can accept is 100, no, or string, no. So here we have here an integer count and I which has a value of 0. So when we say integer in computer programming, it refers to values that are whole number, positive and negative number, including 0. And then we have here line number 11, new line. The title is count number of words in a string in C++. Line number 13 and 14, it will ask give a string that will store in our variable underscore string 100. Take note, we are using cn-getLine. Where do we get the cn-getLine? In this library file, sharp include string. Okay. Using for loop statement, we are checking the characters. I equals 0, given underscore string I, it becomes an array of characters. Enter, character I increment. If underscore string I equals space, if there is a space, it will count the number of space in every word in a given sentence, and then we have here right curly bracket, new line here, and then we display the number of words in the string R, count plus 1, because the initial value is 0, so we don't count with 0, we count by 1. New line and end of program, which informs the user that the program has been ended, and then we close our program or our main body function in C++. I will repeat, I will put a link in the video description guys so that you can download the complete source code of this count number of words in a given string in C++ program for free in my two websites. Let us go, compile and run. Okay, our program is now running. As you can see, we have here the file count that it is already an executable file. Okay, give a string. Let's say I love computer programming. Okay, enter. So number of words in a given string 4. I 1 2 3 4. I love computer programming. There are 4 words in a program. Okay, another example. Let us compile and run, or just run. Let's say for example, Bacolod City, Negros Occidental, Philippines. Okay, so the word the sentence Bacolod City, Negros Occidental, Philippines, the number of words in the string are 5 and a program. Okay guys, so this is the end of our tutorial video on how to create or write count number of words in a string in C++ programming language. Thank you so much guys for watching. I hope that you have learned something new in this tutorial video. If you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share, and please support my channel guys if you are new by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.